how we protect your Tangem Wallet. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be discussing how your Tangem Wallet keeps your crypto safe. At Tangem, your asset safety is our top priority. This video explores the security layers, encryption, and recovery options that protect your assets. Security layers. I want you to imagine this. You tap your Tangem card to your phone, and in seconds, you see approved transactions without a physical display on the card itself. How secure is that? It's all in the app's design. From the moment data enters the app, it is encrypted when stored on your device and during processing in memory. That means if someone gets their hands on your phone, your wallet info remains locked down. And when you are typing your access code or recovery phrase, the app disables spell check, autocomplete, and even custom keyboards. That stops malicious apps from snooping on what you type. Plus, we block screenshots and screen recordings in sensitive screens, so there is no accidental leak of your private keys. Next, let's talk about the access codes, which are your PIN or phrase for opening the app and initiating transaction signing. How to change your Tangem Wallet access code? Please find in the link right here. Since we link this code to the smartphone's secure hardware, such as Secure Enclave on the iOS or Trusted Execution Environment on the Android, it is stored in the encrypted vault that other parts of the smartphone cannot access or read. Next up is runtime protection and input controls. Even after you are in the app, we keep watch. Overlay attacks where a malicious app puts a fake button or window on top of yours are neutralized. The Tangem app tells the operating system not to share sensitive content with accessibility services, so keyboard loggers and screen readers can't grab your secrets. Even if your phone is compromised, rest assured that the app remains completely secure. Another security layer is the backend and session security. When you log in, we give you a time-limited token to talk to our servers. Those tokens live encrypted on your phone and expire if the app stays idle. Behind the scenes, every code change goes through strict peer reviews and automated security tests before it ships. Last but not least, our security architecture and audits. The Tangem Wallet itself contains an EAL6 Plus certified secure chip, the same level used for biometric passports and government IDs. That chip is designed to resist tampering, side-channel attacks, and physical probing. On the software side, our mobile app is open source, so experts everywhere in the world can inspect it and verify what we do. So, why is there no screen on the card itself? Removing the screen cuts out a whole class of supply chain and firmware attacks. Instead, you get a super simple, battery-free device. Fewer moving parts means fewer points of failure. Before we wrap up, here are our top tips for staying safe with Tangem. Always keep your app updated. Use a strong access code and enable biometrics for extra convenience. How to enable biometric authentication in the Tangem app? Find out right here. Store your backup cards in safe locations, just in case you need to recover. Alright, that's the deep dive into how our mobile app keeps the Tangem card rock solid. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what security questions you have next. And thanks for watching.